Okay, hi Karthik. Welcome to the session. I would be very happy to hear about the project that you have done. Go ahead,
Thank you,
share your
sir.
screen, and then you can give the demo.
Yes, sir.
Karthik, you can introduce yourself and then you can showcase the
I'm
demo.
Kartikey Pandey. I'm presently studying in DPS, and I've been in TechSparx for 1.5 years. And Saravanan sir has really helped me. Like he's the one who got me into coding.
Awesome. Nice to know that. It's my pleasure. Go ahead, Karthik.
Uh, Full screen share. So can you see the code?
Yes, yes.
So can you see my you can see my full screen, right?
Yes, I can see your full screen. Yes. Okay, by the way, before Karthik starts, let me tell you that he had been learning Java from me in 10th grade, and then uh, uh, I, of course, as you guys know, I boost the confidence of each one of you. So that is what I did with Karthik also. And during the holidays, during the pandemic, Karthik has done this self-learning. So this is one of the quality that I always encourage the children, that after my 10th standard course, the children should be able to do self-learning. You should get into that mode, and Karthik was able to get into that self-learning, and he entire thing that he has done right now and the showcase that he is doing right now, I didn't teach, okay? So he has done the self-learning after the Java course, of course. I have taught Java, but he has done the self-learning of Python and they did this project. Go ahead, Karthik. Sorry to interrupt.
Thank you, sir. So can you hear it?
Yes, your personal assistant, okay? Here are a list of things I can do for you. Set a timer, okay? Play a game, solve quadratic equation, convert text to binary, convert text to Morse code, okay? Convert text to Pig Latin, print Fibonacci, shop online. Oh, wow. Understand Carl. Oh, okay. And play a sound of any specific frequency. That's excellent. Dice roll simulator, good. So for dice roll, okay, play some of your favorite songs, solve a Sudoku to draw multiple types of shapes. Yeah, let's go with the easiest one, 14.
14 rod multiplication shapes. Yes, sir.
Let's draw a rainbow, 5.
Yes, sir. So one sec. Yeah, here.
Yeah, okay, excellent.
So this was after a lot of people on Father's Day they shared multiple people shared Python turtles wishing their father happy Father's Day.
Whoa, oh, is it so?
Yeah, a bunch of people in my friends groups. So my mom
Oh,
said that you haven't made anything in Python turtle. You've been coding for so long. What are you doing?
oh, that's when you took this.
So
Okay.
that's when I started making this. I was making
Oh,
but that's when I started. Then I wrote the code for this rainbow.
okay. Yeah, yeah, good. Okay, so stop this. So, okay, great. Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Do you want to make another shape? No, no. Okay, I thought, do you want to continue? Okay.
So like you can stop the playback. So stops the playback sound.
What do you mean by playback sound?
So the list that it speaks out.
Oh, okay. So I couldn't hear that. So that's the
Oh,
reason.
okay. So probably there's
Fine, no
your
problem.
computer audio. I'll share
No
that
problem.
towards
Okay,
the end. I'll show you that once. So
okay.
everything that's been shown up till now is also said in audio
Uh-huh.
by a computer voice.
Excellent. No? Yeah.
So the eighth one, shop online, is a dummy shop. So I saw that,
Okay, okay,
and I think solve the Sudoku still is a little bugged. A
mm-hmm.
few things work on it, but everything else works perfectly fine.
Okay. Go ahead with 10.
Yeah. Say any integer value.
Okay. For enter frequency of sound you want to play 5.
So 5 hertz, we can't hear that.
So 20 hertz.
Uh,
31.
Probably won't be fine. I think we'll be able to hear anyone. I'll have for you to hear that. I'll have to share.
Uh,
Share computer sound. Yeah, you can probably hear it now.
Okay.
5 seconds. So it's too feeble to hear.
Okay.
Here are
How
a
long
list of
you-
things I can do for you.
So once again, I'll just do it again. It's
Here are a list of
Yeah.
things I can do for you. Set a
something went
timer.
wrong. So one second.
Play a game. Solve quadratic equations.
Run. So you can hear it now. Yeah. So now you'll be able to hear the playback also.
Hell, I am Call, your personal assistant. Here are a list of things I can do for you. Set a timer. Play a game. Solve quadratic equations. Convert text to binary. Or Morse code. Or Pig Latin. Print the Fibonacci series up to n terms. Shop online. Understand cow. Play a sound of any specific frequency. Dice roll
Does
simulator.
it listen to our
Play some
voice?
of your favorite
No,
songs.
sir.
Solve a
It's text-based
Sudoku for
input,
you.
audio-based output.
To draw multiple types of shapes.
So I'll just
Okay.
10 this time.
Mm-hmm. Hey.
Yes, and 10.
Okay.
So an audible would be 420 hertz,
Okay.
and for 5 seconds.
Here are a list of things I can do for you.
So
Okay. Great. Good job. So you can showcase what is the best part. I think this game could be good.
some of my
11.
favorites. So I'll show some of my favorites.
Mm-hmm.
One is
I have 6 games you can play. I try and get the number you thinking of in under 12 tries. Tic-tac-toe, 2-player game. Hand cricket. Hangman, animals and words. Adventure game. Snake game.
so out of this, hand cricket was a code done by me and my best friend Rohit. So that's the code we've done together. And snake game is a code done and help from one of my seniors using.
Go ahead.
So I'll just show snake game. That's one of my
I
favorite.
think, do you want to continue? Okay, no.
So I'll just show snake game.
Mm-hmm.
It's an all-time favorite.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. Okay, great.
Yes, sir. So
Wonderful.
So it just restarts again.
Here are a list of things I can.
I think you should have an option of exit in the screen itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just add that. Just make a note of it.
Yes, sir. I'll make note of that. So, and another one of the interesting things is playing a song. A lot of the time. 4 of my favorite songs. So, yeah. So it's completely based on simple audio module. It uses WAV files.
Excellent.
Roll up sleeves and 20 pockets, mother mercy sweaters. Commas in his hair.
Okay, great.
The song.
Mm-hmm.
Here are a list of things I can do for you.
You can stop
Set.
the playback. And
Mm-hmm.
another one that would be yeah, that's most of the best features in the game.
Mm-hmm.
A few other games.
I have 6 games you can play.
Like tic-tac-toe.
Mm-hmm.
That comes on CMD. So you can play with me.
So enter the position between 1 to 9 where you want to mark. Okay, so obviously 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. So
Yeah.
in 3. So
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Sir plays in 9. So I'll be playing in 1.
Okay, so okay, in between. It's 2.
So Sir plays in 2. And 3, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, we are done. We're
So
tied.
it's a tie. So doesn't matter after that. So
We still have one opportunity, but obviously you are not gonna leave me until 3, 4.
yeah. So 4. And then I play in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 7.
And then 7.
Here are a list of things I can do for you.
Okay, but it doesn't show whether I won or not.
It's because it's on CMD, it doesn't stop. So it shows for a brief second that you won and then it stops.
You can put a delay.
Yeah, I'll have to add that. Noted.
Hmm.
And
Okay, great.
what else? Break. I forgot to add a function
What is there in 2?
in 2 player game.
Uh-huh.
I have
You
6
have the list of games.
to
Okay.
play.
Yeah.
I try and
Why didn't you put the Sudoku inside this?
Focus.
Dice Roll Simulator, you could have put it inside the game.
Yes, sir. So Sudoku.
So you also have to remember one thing. You should always categorize things. So you can
Yes,
always
sir.
categorize things, and then you should not have more than 5 choices. Minimum
Okay, sir.
3, maximum 5 choices. If you
So
give
what
too
should I
many
do?
choices to a person, he is not interested.
Okay, sir.
Just remember that, okay? Yeah,
So let me just get a pencil and note stuff down.
sure.
So we give the person only 5 choices.
Yeah, 3 to 5 choices.
3 to 5 choices, and we have to
Categorize every
categorize
possible.
everything.
Yeah,
And
as much as possible. Yeah.
to create, and I forgot to put an way to
Exit button. Yeah.
Yeah, so exit method. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So
So
that's,
you can also build a graphic
Yeah.
user interface for this.
yes, sir. So that's
So
what
that's
I'm working on. So
yeah.
graphic
So
user interface, and then base it on databases to make it live.
true.
Remember details like your name, password. All that.
Okay. So does it convert speech to text?
Speech to text. I haven't integrated, but I've created this thing for speech to text now.
Okay, fine. So great job, man. Wonderful,
Yeah.
awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Really good. Best use of your holidays. Right.
So this was the whole journey from me starting. When I started learning, the day before I started learning, I watched Superman. So it's Kal-El of Krypton. So I named it. I made a bot Cal.
Oh,
And
okay.
then
I get
whatever
that.
I learned, I put it into this slowly over the whole.
Excellent. Yeah. So one thing you, those who are watching the video should understand that this is not something he built overnight. So he just started with one game and then he added and added and added. And
About
how many lines
3.5
of
months
code
of
is
work.
this?
Sir?
How many lines of code does it?
Sir, must be nearly
You can go to the code. I'll tell you how to check that.
line number. So this the code that runs everything else
Uh-huh.
itself is approximately 200.
How many files you have?
So I'll just show you the number of files in this whole.
Ah,
One second. I stopped sharing. Share screen. Whole screen. Share. So these are all the files in it.
great. Very good. Okay. Okay, all this has been built over a period of 3 months.
3.5, 4 months almost. Yeah.
Good.
This is about maybe totally 400,000 lines of code to max maybe.
That's great. Wonderful. Awesome, Karthik. God bless you. Keep building
Thank
it.
you, sir.
This is how Mark Zuckerberg, when he was in grade 6, he used to spend his time, and then look at the way he is right now. So yeah, and also you can tell about your internship opportunity?
Yeah, so right now I'm doing a program with Intel. It's called AI for Youth, where they've selected out of about 3,000 applications. They selected top 100 students for an opportunity to work on Python and how to build an AI. It's a great experience. If it's from grade 8 to 12, I would recommend everyone should try and apply for it. It's a really good experience doing that.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. I'm very proud of you, Karthik.
Thank you, sir.
I still remember the day one when you came to TechSparx, very skeptical about the course, and then once you and your parents watched the what is that called, orientation in that start classroom, and the moment before you entering, you had a very strict face, and then the moment you came out, I could see that smile in you, your parents, and I was like,
Uh,
okay, I have made a
uh,
difference through a
the
video.
this whole my whole love towards coding is because of TechSparx.
Awesome. That's my pleasure. That's my pleasure. So that is what we are known for. We just love to create that spark of technical sparks, and that's why it's named as TechSparx. So we just ignite, and then it will create a forest fire. So that's what has happened. I would
Yes.
definitely pray. I would definitely wish that you come up with an extraordinary application which solves a bigger problem in the world and make the
Thank you.
world a better place to live.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.